In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, that line of text will no longer appear at your checkout, which can make things clearer for customers, especially if you're offering free or flat rate shipping. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the menu on the left-hand side. This is your control center for everything in your store. From that left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you manage your themes, which control how your store looks and what text appears on different pages, including the checkout. In the themes area, find the theme that is currently live on your store. To the right of that theme, you'll see a button for customizing or editing it, usually labeled something like Customize or Edit Theme. Next to that button, there are 3 small dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more options for that theme. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Edit Default Theme Content and click on it. This takes you to the language and text settings for your theme, where all the default phrases and messages are stored. At the top of this page, you'll see different views or sections for where text appears throughout your store. Click on the option that says More Views to expand additional categories. This lets you access text that might not be immediately visible in the main list. From the expanded list, click on Sections. This narrows down the view to text that belongs to various sections of your theme, including the area related to checkout notices. Now scroll down through the list until you find the entry that mentions duties and taxes included, shipping at checkout, and policy text in HTML. The exact wording may be a bit long, but you're looking for the field that holds the phrase that includes shipping calculated at checkout. Once you've found it, click into that text field, press backspace to remove everything in it, and then tap the spacebar once so the field is not completely empty. Leaving a space helps avoid some themes reverting back to their default text. After you've cleared that text and added a single space, go to the top or bottom of the page and click on Save. Wait a moment for Shopify to confirm that your changes have been saved. Now, when customers go through your checkout,